Okay, excellent, Radwan. Thanks, honey. Excellent, honey. So we can measure the wind by the wind vane. We can measure the wind by the wind vane. Thanks a lot, Radwan. Yes, who after Radwan? Yes, Ahmed Hamshaddo. Ahmed Hamshaddo. Where are you, Ahmed? Okay. Yes, Abdullah Jamal.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, honey. Can you choose a number?
Number 6.
Number 6. Okay, number 6. Where is the question for number 6? Okay, in number 6, what the air and sky are like each day? The air and sky are like what each day? This is called what, honey? This is called temperature. This is the temperature, or this is the weather. What is the air and sky are like each day? It is the weather or the temperature. Yes, Abdullah?
Temperature.
The weather or the temperature? If you look at air and sky, I ask you about...
Temperature.
Okay, listen to me again, okay? I ask you about the air and sky. The air may be hot or cold, and the sky it's sunny or cloudy. So now I'm talking about the temperature or the weather.
Weather.
Yes, it is the weather. So the weather, can you read it again? What? The air and...
Weather.
Yes, weather is what? The air and sky are
Sky.
like each day. Are like
I like
each day, okay?
that.
Yes, excellent, Abdullah. Thanks, honey. Super. Okay. Now, yes, Haytham Hamdan. Are you here, Haytham Hamdan? Okay. So Haytham still absent. Yes, Abdul Malik. Okay, honey. Can you choose a number? Can you choose a number? Oh, sorry. Okay, from 0 to 7. Yes, Abdul Malik, choose a number.
3.
Yes. What? Number 3? Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Number 3, temperature can be measured with the temperature. Oh, it's not clear. Yes, the temperature can be measured with what? Yes, Abdul Malik, the temperature can be measured by the thermometer or rain gauge. Temperature, thermometer or rain gauge.
Thermometer.
Yes, it's amazing. By the thermometer. Super boy, Abdul Malik. So by the thermometer, we can measure the temperature. Super, honey. Yes. Mishal? 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 Where are you, Mishal? Okay. After Mishal, yes, Fahd. Are you here, Fahd? Faleh, please mute your microphone or I will kick you out. Excellent, Faleh. Okay. Yes, Fahd. Where are you, Fahd? Okay, so Fahd absent. Yes, Mishal absent also. Okay, Ali Abdullah. Yes, Ali Abdullah. Okay, Adil Naif. Adil Naif. Where are you? Battal. Batal, what's wrong? Okay, no one here. Mishal, Fahd, Ali, Abdul. Yes, honey, what's your name?
I am Rahim.
Yes, wait, honey, wait, Ibrahim. Yes, Batal, are you here, Batal? Okay, Nuayman, are you here, Nuayman? Nuayman?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, honey. Okay, can you choose a number, Nuayman?
Teacher. Number 7.
Number 7. Okay, number 7. Where's number 7? Yes, it's here. The weather changes, Nuayman. The weather changes every day or every month, Nuayman?
Every day.
Yes, it's excellent. The weather changes every day. Super boy, Nuayman. Thanks, honey. Okay. Yes, Yusuf Khalid.
What do you want?
Yusuf.
Teacher Muhammad Saad.
Okay, wait, honey. Mute your microphone now.
Yes,
Yusuf.
teacher, I'm Yusuf Khalid.
Yes, honey. Okay, grade 1. Who will open the mic without calling? I will take from your point now. So now all of you mute your microphone. Yes, you. Okay, honey. Look here, Yusuf. Can you choose a number?
Yes. Number 6.
Number 6. Okay. Number 6. Where is it? Okay. What the air and sky are like each day. What the air and sky are like each day. It is the weather or the temperature, honey. What the air and sky are like each day. The weather or temperature. Listen well, Yusuf, okay? Listen well. I tell you about what the air is maybe hot, cold, or what else. And the sky, it's maybe sunny or cloudy. So when I talk about the air and sky are like each day. Now I'm talking about the weather or the temperature.
Okay.
Yes. Temperature or weather?
Weather.
Yes, it is the weather. Excellent, Yusuf. So now we talk about, one more time, Yusuf, about the
Weather.
Yes, excellent, Yusuf. Thanks, honey. Okay, yes, Ali Gamal. Ali Gamal. Yes. Okay, honey, can you choose a number from 0 to 7? Yes, Ali Gamal.
7.
Number 7, okay. Okay, honey. Number 7, the weather changes every day or every month? The weather changes every day or every month?
Every day.
Yes, honey, excellent. The weather changes every day. The weather changes every day. Super boy, Ali. Thanks a lot, Ali. Okay, honey. After Ali, it's Nawaf. Yes, Nawaf? Nawaf? Are you here, Nawaf? Okay, after Nawaf. Ibrahim? Yes, Ibrahim?
Yes, teacher, I am Rahim.
Okay, honey, can you choose a number?
Number 5.
Yes, number 5, excellent. Okay, you can measure the wind or the direction of the wind with what, Nawaf? How can you measure the wind?
I am Rahim.
Sorry, Ibrahim, I'm so sorry. By the wind, how can you measure it? By the wind vane or by the thermometer?
Wind.
Yes, excellent. So how we can measure the wind one more time? By the?
Wind.
Yes, super, Ibrahim, by the wind vane. Super boy. Thanks, honey. Yes, Ziad. Are you here, Ziad? Ziad. Thank you, Ibrahim. Yes, Ziad. Okay, honey, can you choose a number? Ziad.
5.
5, okay. Number 5. Okay, but no, Ibrahim, This number. Okay, so choose another one. From 0 to 4. 0 or 1, 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Yes, yes. 3.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Number 3. Temperature can be measured with, how can we measure the temperature, Ziad? With a thermometer or with a ring gauge? Temperature.
Thermometer.
Yes, it's amazing. By the thermometer, we can measure the temperature. Thanks, honey. Super, Ziad. Okay. Yes, أصيل فايز. أصيل فايز.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, أصيل. Yes. Can you choose a number from 0, 1, 2, or 4?
0.
Okay, let's start. Which of these tools can measure the temperatures? Asin? The temperature. Number 1, or number 2, or number 3?
Yes, teacher. Thermometer.
Yes, the thermometer. Excellent, the thermometer.
كده شفت
Wait, honey, wait. Thanayan. Which microphone, Thanayan?
Thermometer.
Wrong, Thanayan.
Yes.
The last warning. Okay, honey, wait. Okay. By the, so how we can measure it? The temperature by the. Yes, honey? Where are you? Asil? One more time, tell me the answer. Asil? Okay, Asil is sleeping, I think. Asil, tell me again. You can measure the.
Yes, I am Asil Faiz. Teacher,
Yes.
I am Asil Thermometer.
Yes, by the.
Thermometer.
Are you Asil Faiz?
Yes, I am Asil Faiz.
Okay, honey. So we can measure by the thermometer. Which one is the thermometer? Number 1 or number 2 or number 3?
Number 1. No,
One.
number 3.
1 or 2 or 3? Yes. Number 3. Excellent. Asil Faiz and Superboy. Okay, honey. Thanks a lot. Superboy Asil. Thanks, honey. Yes, after Asil. Yes, Battal. Are you here, Battal?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Battal, where are you? Yes, here. Okay. So, Battal, can you choose a number?
I know say number.
1 or 2? Yes, Battal, what?
No, 1.
1, okay. Number 1, which of these tools can measure the wind? How we can measure the wind, Battal? By number 2 or 1 or number 2?
Number 2.
Yes, it's excellent. The number 2 is called a thermometer or wind vane.
What?
Number 2 is called thermometer or wind vane.
Wednesday.
Yes, it's excellent. Thanks a lot, Battal. Super boy, Battal. Okay. Thank you, Battal. Okay. After Battal, yes, Amr Haytham. Amr Haytham. Amr Haytham. Thanks, Battal. Okay. Amr Haytham. Okay, yes. Faleh.
Teacher.
Are you Amr?
Yes.
Okay, Amr. Yes, so you can choose a number from here. Where? Yes. Number? There's no 30. From 0 to 7.
I want 0.
0, okay. Which of these tools measure the temperature? How we can measure the temperature, honey? By number 2 or 3 or sorry. Wait. It's amazing, by the thermometer. Which one is the thermometer, 1 or 2 or 3?
3.
Yes, it's Sona. Excellent. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay. Yes, Amr. Thanks, honey. You are super, mashallah. Okay, after Amr, yes, Faleh. 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 Okay. Yes, Thanayan. Thanayan.
Yes, teacher, I am Snayan.
Okay, honey. So, Thanayan, can you tell me, honey, here, how can, or can you choose a number?
What?
Choose a number from this card.
7.
7, okay, the last one. So thermometer, sorry, the weather changes. The weather changes. How it's changed, Thanayan, or when? Every day or every week?
Every day.
Yes, it's amazing, Thanayan. Every day, super boy. The weather changes every day. Okay, yes, Omar Maher. You're welcome, honey. Yes, Omar Maher.
Teacher.
Yes, honey. Okay, can you tell me, Omar, what the summary of our lesson, or what did you learn in this lesson? Give me one.
Learn about the weather.
Yes, what about the weather? What do you know about the weather, or how we can measure the weather?
Air and sun.
Yes, the air. What the air and sky? What is the air and
Sky.
sky are like each day? We can describe the weather, Amr, by what? By the temperature, yeah, we can. Yes. Yes. And what about the temperature? How you can use or measure the temperature?
Thermometer.
Yes, it's amazing, honey, by the thermometer. Super and excellent, Omar. Thanks, honey. Okay. Yes. Abdulaziz Hussein. Yes, Abdulaziz.
Teacher.
Okay, honey. Are you ready? Stay with me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, honey. Look, honey. What is this? Is this a thermometer or a wind vane? Yes. Yes. So can we repeat it together? Thermometer. What? One more time, honey. Thermometer. Yes. Thermometer is called. Yes. One more time. Thermometer.
Thermometer.
Yes, it's amazing. How can we use the thermometer? The thermometer, we can use it to measure what? To measure, honey, to measure the temperature or the rain. Yes, Abdulaziz, temperature or rain?
Temperature.
Yes, temperature, it's amazing. We can measure, we can use the thermometer for measure the temperature. Yes, it's amazing, Abdulaziz. Thanks, honey. Okay. Super. Yes, after Abdulaziz, Abdullah Saleh. Yes, Abdullah Saleh. Abdullah Saleh. Okay. Yes, Muhammad Saad.
Yes.
Yes, honey. This is the rain, okay? The rain. How you can measure the rain, Muhammad? By the thermometer or rain gauge?
Gauge.
One more time, by the rain.
Rain gauge.
Yes, excellent, Muhammad. Super boy. By the rain gauge, we can measure the rain. By the rain gauge, okay? This is your name. Okay, Muhammad Saad. Thanks, honey. Okay. Super boy. Yes, after Muhammad. Yes, Asil Khalid.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Tell me, Asil, what did you learn in this lesson?
What the vein?
About the wind vane? Yes. The wind vane can measure what? The temperature or the wind?
The wind.
Yes, it's excellent. Super boy. So we can measure the wind by the wind vane. Thanks a lot, Asil. Yes, super boy, hon. Okay. Yes, يوسف الحلو. يوسف الحلو. Yes, honey. Okay. Look here, Yusuf. Now we can measure the rain by the rain gauge, okay? Wind by the wind vane. Temperature by the thermometer, okay? So tell me again, how we can measure the temperature? By the wind vane or by the thermometer?
By thermometer.
Yes, it's amazing. By the thermometer, we can measure the temperature. We can measure the
Temperature.
Yes, you are excellent, Yusuf. Thanks, honey. So by the temperature, we can measure the, by the thermometer, we can measure the temperature, okay? Yes, Adam. Adam.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, honey. So now how we can measure the wind, Adam? By the thermometer or by wind vane?
Wind vane.
Yes, it's excellent, Adam. By the wind vane, we can by the wind vane we can measure the wind. We can measure the wind. Excellent, honey. Super, Adam. Okay. After Adam, yes, Saud. Saud.
Yes, teacher. I am here.
Yes, Saud. Tell me, Saud, what did you learn in this lesson? Yes.
Weather.
Okay, sorry. What about the weather? If we measure the temperature to learn about the weather, okay? How can we measure the temperature, Saud? Yes, Saud, how can we measure
Can use to measure the temperature.
Use what? We can use what to measure the temperature?
Thermometer use to measure the temperature.
Yes, it's amazing. And if you want so Faleh, we will put you out, okay? Yes, Saud. It's complete. So you can measure, or we can measure the temperature by the thermometer. And what else? The rain.
And they can to guys the rain with the rain
Gauge by the rain.
Yay.
Yes, super, Saud. Thanks a lot, honey. By the rain gauge. You are excellent, Saud. Thanks, honey. Okay. Okay. Yes, after Saud. Yes, Abdurrahman Ahmed. Abdurrahman Ahmed.
Yes, teacher.
Abdurrahman. Okay, can you choose a number, honey?
Number 0.
0, okay. Now, which of these tools can measure the temperature? How can you measure the temperature, Abdurrahman? By number 1 or number 2 or number 3?
Number 2.
Number 2, the wind vane to measure the temperature.
No, number
1 or 2 or 3?
3.
Yes, and what is the name of this tool? Is it a wind vane or thermometer?
Thermometer.
Yes, excellent, Abdurrahman. Super. It is the thermometer. Thanks a lot. Yes, Abdurrahman Eid. Abdurrahman Eid. Where are you? Okay. Yes, Abdurrahman Ammar. Abdurrahman Ammar.
Yes.
Okay. Can you choose a number, honey?
Five.
What? Which number?
Five.
Number.
Five.
Okay. Number 5. Yes. Number 5. You can measure the direction of the wind. How can you measure the wind, honey? With what? With a wind vane or with a thermometer? Yes, Abdurrahman, listen to me. How can we measure the wind? By a wind vane?
Red.
Yes, by the wind vane. Excellent. You are Abdurrahman Ammar, yeah? Yes? Are you Abdurrahman Ammar?
Yes.
Yes, excellent, Abdurrahman. So we can measure the wind by the wind vane. By the wind vane. Thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Amir? Amir?
Yes.
Okay, Amir. Can you choose a number? Yes, Amir. Let's choose the number, honey, quickly.
3.
3, okay. Yes, number 3. Temperature can be measured with a thermometer or with a wind vane.
Wind.
Temperature. How we can measure the temperature, Amir? How we can measure the temperature? By the thermometer or by a wind vane? Thermometer or wind vane?
Wind vane.
Listen, honey, I ask you about the temperature. Temperature. We can measure it with a wind vane or thermometer? Temperature. Yes, honey, temperature with a thermometer. It's right?
Yes.
Amir, it is right. Thermometer. Yes. Yes, Amir, it is right. Honey, so we can measure the temperature by a thermometer, by the...
Thermometer.
One more time, Amir. Thermometer, by the...
Thermometer.
Yes, by the thermometer. Excellent, Amir. By the thermometer. Thanks a lot, Amir. Okay, yes, Arz. Arz?
Teacher.
Okay, honey. Can you tell me, Arz, what do you learn in this lesson?
The thermometer. The wind vane. Weather.
Yes, we talk about the weather. Excellent. And how we can measure the weather by the...
Wind vane.
Yes, the weather. The weather. If we talk about the weather, we can describe the wind, and we can measure the wind by the...
By the wind vane.
Excellent. And we can measure the rain by the...
Temperature.
Rain. I ask you about the rain, honey. Can measure the rain by the...
By the
Yes.
thermometer.
Rain by the rain gauge or thermometer?
Rain gauge.
Yes, excellent. So, thanks a lot. Yes, Talib?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Talib, tell me, honey. What about with the rain? How can we measure the rain? By the...
Rainy.
Yes, honey, how can we measure the rain? By the wind vane or by the rain gauge?
Rain gauge.
Yes, it's excellent. By the rain gauge. Super, Talib. Thanks, honey. By the rain gauge, we can measure the rain. Yes, Rayis? Rayis?
Yes, teacher.
Honey, let's choose a number.
Number 7.
Okay, number 7. Number 7, the weather changed. The weather is changed every day or every year. Yeah, every day or every year.
Every day.
Yes, it's a change every day. It's a change every day. Excellent, Reyes. Thanks for you. You are super, Reyes. Thanks a lot. Okay. Yes.
خفيفة. يا أخوي خلينا شوية.
So, Adil, I will kick you out, okay? Okay, after Reyes, not participate. Yes, Ahmed Abdelmonaim?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. Okay, can you choose a number?
No. Number 7.
Number 7. Okay, wait. Okay, number 7.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, what about number 7? Number 7, the weather is changed. The weather is changed every day or every week, honey?
Every day.
Yes, excellent. The weather is changed every
Day.
Yes, every day. Super, Ahmed. Thanks a lot. Super boy. Yes, Badr. Badr.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Badr, tell me, honey, how can we measure the temperature by the rain gauge or by the wind vane or by the thermometer temperature?
By thermometer.
Yes, it's amazing. By the thermometer. Super boy. We can measure the temperature by the thermometer. Thanks, honey. Yes, Uday Saddam. Uday?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, can you tell me, honey, what did you learn in this lesson?
In this lesson,
Yes. We talk about what?
we learn about the weather.
Yes. If we talk about the rain, how can we measure the rain, Uday?
Rain gauge.
Yes, it's excellent. Thanks a lot, honey. Super boy. Yes, Salim? Salim? Super, Uday. Thanks, honey. Salim?
Yes.
Okay. Salim, but if we talk about the wind, how we can measure the wind? By the?
By the
Yes. Wind. By the wind vane or by the thermometer?
wind vane.
Salim, by the wind vane. Super, Salim. Thanks a lot. Excellent, Salim. Okay. Yes, Sulaiman? Sulaiman? Sulaiman?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, honey, how can we measure the temperature? By the
By the
temperature, by the thermometer or rain gauge?
by the thermometer.
Yes, it's excellent, by the thermometer. And what about the rain? How can we measure the rain? By the rain gauge or wind vane?
By the rain gauge.
Yes, it's excellent, Sulaiman. You are super in this semester. Thanks a lot, honey. Thanks, Sulaiman. Okay, Abdurrahman Eid. Are you here, Abdurrahman Eid? Okay, Elias. I'm so sorry, Elias. Yes, Elias?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, honey, what did you learn in this lesson?
The weather. The weather.
We talk about the weather. How can we describe the weather, honey?
Right?
temperature and the rain and the wind. Okay, tell me quickly how we can measure the temperature by the
temperature by the temperature by thermometer.
excellent, and the rain by the
Engage.
and the wind by the
Wind veil.
yes, super boy. Thanks a lot, Elias, and thanks for all of you, grade 1. Have a nice day.
Bye,
And my
teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.